Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how to unlock and make your Facebook profile public. So let's move. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Facebook app. After you open up your Facebook app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots. And the next thing you need to do is to navigate to unlock profile. That's going to take you right here. So basically, you can see this padlock right here has been unlocked. So next thing you need to do is to simply click on see your profile. So it's as simple as that. So this is how to unlock your Facebook profile without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. Find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.